This is an easier song to play, and I'm going to show you two methods to play it. The first method, we're going to play up and down the double string or your highest string while letting the low two strings drone. This is more of the traditional style of play, but for this you'll want a dulcimer that has at least 8 diatonic frets. I am capoing that first fret, but we are going to go up to what would be our 8th fret if we didn't have that capo on it. Although in the tablature we're going to now call fret number 2, fret 1, 2, 3, and so on, relative to where the capo is. Now we could strum all the strings every time, or what we can do is strum the strings every measure or so to fill in the sound but not overtake the melody. Now I'm going to do it in the other method, where I'm going to strum every time. If I didn't have a capo handy or was playing a lute dulcimer with less frets, I'd play it in this method. We're going to do a lot more chording because we need to put it in that minor harmony, but we don't have that when we strum the strings open. So it's going to involve a little bit more work with our left hand or our chording hand, and we're going to utilize all 3 sets of strings. But take it slow and you'll get there. Always go slow to learn fast. Typically, I wouldn't strum higher notes over top of lower notes or strum higher strings when I have the melody on one of the low strings. But in this arrangement, I am going to strum all the strings at a time, even when I have notes that are lower. That's to add a little bit more depth, a little bit more body to the song. So the low notes don't get lost behind those high pitches. I am going to angle my hand out as I strum down. That way I can accent the notes that are on the low strings and soften the notes that are on the high strings. Hopefully I'll be able to achieve a clear melody through some higher note harmony.